Hello friends, welcome to Learning Point. Today you are solving the 8th class NCERT chapter 1 rational numbers exercise 1.1. First question, using appropriate properties find. They give minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. As per mathematics rules, first you have to make a division, multiplication, then addition or subtraction. Here you first make a multiplication, here make a multiplication. 3 get cancelled, 2 by 5 plus 5 by 2, 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 1 by 5 into 2, 10. You have to take the LCM of the denominator. 5, 2, 10. Consider the least one. 5 as it is. 5 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 ones are 1 as it is. 5 ones are 2 into 5 equal to 10. LCM is 10. Five twos are 10. 2 5s are 10, 10 ones are 10. 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 25 minus 1. Here 25 minus 5 by 10, that's equal to 20 by 10. 0 0 get cancelled, answer is 2. Here next question, they give 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Here we make a first multiplication, here, then here, then here. 2 into 3 minus 6, 7 5s are 35 minus 3 1s are 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 1 by 4 plus 2 ones are 2 sevens are 1 by 35. Here we take the LCM of the denominator. 35 4 35 2 35 as it is. 2 twos are 35, 2 35 as it is. 2 ones are 35, 5 sevens are 35, 1 as it is. 5 sevens are 35, 7 ones are 7. Here 2 into 5 into 7, that is 2 into 2 4 into 5 20 into 7 140. LCM is 140. 35 4s are 140, 4 35s are 140, 35 4s are 140. Here you make a multiplication, minus 6 into 4 minus 24 minus 35 plus 4. You have to make a calculation here. Minus 24 minus 35, that is 9 minus 59, minus 59 plus 4 divided by 140, that is minus 55 divided by 140. Here 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 4 left, 5 8s are. The answer is minus 11 by 28. The next question. The second question is regarding the additive inverse. First you have to learn what is meant by additive inverse. Additive inverse of a number a is the number that when added to a yields to 0. That means when we add a number with opposite side, that yields to a 0. Suppose consider 5. 5 additive inverse is minus 5. They must result to the 0. As the following, you have to follow the rules in the below questions. Write the additive inverse of the following. My 2 by 8 additive inverse is minus 2 by 8. Minus 5 by 9 additive inverse is plus 5 by 9. Here minus minus get cancelled. What is again plus? You have to take the minus 6 by 5. Here sign given by the numerator, we can sign consider here also. Minus 2 by 9 additive inverse is plus 2 by 9. 19 by minus 16 additive inverse is 19 by 16. Here next third question is verify that minus x equal to x for the given in following questions. First you have to take the additive inverse. That is equal to minus 11 by 15. Then additive inverse principle is minus 11 by 15 plus 11 by 15 equal to 0. You have to next minus 11 by 15 is equal to minus 11 by 15. Right hand side the sign gets changed. You have to make the multiplication of negative sign. Minus 11 by 15, that's equal to 11 by 15. The given question is minus x is equal to x. Hence the condition is proved. Minus into minus equal to x. The given condition is satisfied. Next question. Third one. The additive inverse of the given x is equal to minus x equal to plus 17. Then 13 by 17 plus minus 13 by 17 equals to 0. Next minus 13 by 17, that's equal to minus 13 by 17. Here you transfer the right hand side, the sign get changed. Then multiplication of the next two sign, multiply by negative sign, minus of minus 13 by 17 equal to 13 by 17. The given is x minus x is equal to x. Hence the condition is proved. The next question is regarding the multiplication inverse. The multiplication inverse of a number x is given by x raised to minus 1 or 1 by x, such that when it is multiplied by its original number, its result in value equal to 1. Here for example, 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. 2 get cancelled. The resultant answer must be equal to 1. Here given minus 13 into minus 1 by 13, that's equal to 1. Minus get cancelled, the 13 get also cancelled, equal to 1. Here the multiplicative inverse is minus 13 by 19 into 19 by minus 13. We have to take the reciprocal of this number, that leads to 1. 19 get cancelled, minus 13 get cancelled. Here given 1 by 5 into 5 by 1, that's equal to 5 get cancelled, answer is 1. Here first you have to make the multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 7 8s are 56. Here the multiplication inversion is 56 by minus 15. Minus 15 else 56 cancel, answer is 1. Here you make a multiplication, minus into minus get 2 by 5. 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled, is solution 1. Here multiplication inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 get cancelled, answer is. Question number 5. Name the property under the multiplication used in each of the following. They give minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by equal to minus 4 by. You have multiplication by any number into 1, they give the original number. Thus identity is used in this question. That's here, that's for here. 1 is the multiplicative identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is used. Next, they give minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. Here a into minus b equal to minus b into minus a. It leads to ab equal to b into a. This property is called commutativity. Third question, they give minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal to 1. Here they use the multiplicative inverse because they take the reciprocal of this number and then they make multiplication. The result in 1. This property is known as multiplicative inverse. Next question is sixth one. Multiply by the 16 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 6. In the question they misprinted. Given 16 by 13 multiply by the reciprocal of 6 by minus 7, that is 16 into 6 96 minus 13 into 7 minus 91. The answer. Next, tell what property allows you to compute the 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as a 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. They give a into b into c equal to a into b into c. This property is known as associativity. Eighth question. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by into 1 by 8? Why or why not? They give 8 by 9. This convert the fractions, that is 8 into 1 minus 8 plus 1 minus 9 by 8. Then make the multiplication, that is 9 get cancelled, 8 can cancel, the result in minus 1. The answer is not equal to, the answer is equal to, not equal to 1. Therefore therefore it is not a multiplicative universe. Next question, is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 into 1 by 3? Why or why not? First convert the 0.3 decimal into fraction, that is 3 by 10. Then 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by 3, that is 10, 10 cancel, 3, 3 get cancelled, equal to 1. Here the answer is 1. Therefore it is the multiplicative inverse of inverse of 0.3. Tenth question, write first one, the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Answer is 0, because 0 doesn't have a reciprocal. 1 by 0 leads to infinity, that is undefined. The rational number that are equal to the reciprocal, the numbers are 1 and minus 1, because 1 into reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1 leads to 1, minus 1, their reciprocal is 1 by minus 1, that leads to 1. Third question, the rational number that is equal to its negativity, that is 0, because 0 doesn't have any sign, positive or negative, because 7 plus 0 is equal to 0, 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Next, fill in the blanks. 0 has no reciprocal, because 1 by 0 leads to infinity. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals, 1 and minus 1, because 1 into reciprocal of 1 by 1 is equal to 1, and minus 1 reciprocal is 1 by 1 minus 1 minus 1 get cancel, equal to 1. The reciprocal of minus 5 is 1 by minus 5. The reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0, is x. Here x not equal to 0, because if you put x equal to 0, that leads to undefined. The product of two rational number is always a rational number. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is a positive rational number. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is a positive rational number.